Hi, welcome to Hispanic Construction Jobs, and I'm here to tell you about a new wonderful job opportunity. And just go to HispanicConstructionJobs.com, and I'm going to talk about this job right here. And it is for heavy equipment operators, concrete finishers, form setters, water truck drivers, grading foremen. And it is for Flatiron Construction, located in Dallas, Texas. And wow, that's awesome. And to apply to this job, you just click this green button, or you can click this green button. And right here, you can sign up for job alerts. All you do is put your email address and keywords such as carpentry, concrete, whatever you are interested in. And say you're in New York, you type New York or Texas, and you click this right here, and then you create your alert. And here's some more of our latest jobs and even more jobs, and that's it. And there's more jobs on our homepage. And yep, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys have a wonderful week.